I'm Lucy Jennings from the Creativity Patch. Come along with me and let's have some fun. We've been winding for quite a while, so the thread's getting a little short. When it's about 8 inches left on your thread, you want to start thinking about incorporating your next strand of thread. So I've got another piece cut off here, and I am going to just lay it in, and we're going to just wind around the new thread along with the cord. Just let a little bit of it hang off there so you know where the end is, and we just start winding. Okay, my winding thread is getting a little bit too short now, so it's time to incorporate it into the cord. Whenever I'm switching off to a new thread, I like to do it in between going down into the figure 8 stitch, because I think it's stronger that way. You want to give the winding thread a bit of time to catch itself on the cord before you ask it to go down underneath and do a little bit of lifting there. Okay, we've been winding over the thread that we finished off with. We've been winding off over that for a while, so I'm going to snip it here. And we've wound around this end for quite a while too, so I'm going to clip it off. Things go pretty smoothly now. You just keep winding. Be sure to check out my website, The Creativity Patch. There's lots more things to learn there, and I've got some really fun weaving kits. See you there, and happy weaving!